Hello everyone. Welcome to CAD Learners. On today's tutorial, we will discuss about single line text. Single line text are least short pieces of text, which is used in AutoCAD drawings for entering text that don't require lot of restrictions. Previously single line text was also called D-text. So you can start single line text by typing text or D-text in command line, and press spacebar or enter to activate the command. Now you can start to enter the text. Alternatively, you can go to Annotation Panel on Home tab and select single line text. The third option is go to Annotate tab. Here you can see multi-line text option. When you click on the small arrow, you will get a drop-down menu. Here you can see single line text. So these are the three methods to get start with single line text, other than typing in command line. Now I will start to enter text. As soon as I select the text tool, you can see that the mouse pointer has changed. Now you cannot see the pick box. Only the crosshair will be shown. Now it will prompt you to enter. First point. In the command line you can see that it's prompting to specify starting point of text. Right now I will click a point. As soon as I click, you can see that it's prompt me to specify height of the text. By default you can see that the unit is selected as 3 units. But now I will enter 5 units for now. And press enter. Next we have to specify a rotation angle. Rotation angle means at what direction do you want the text to be placed. By default it shows 0 degree. Currently we don't need any rotation angle, so just press enter. Now you can see that the cursor start to blink. Now we will start to enter our text. Let's type CAD Learners. And just press enter. And type D-text. Now click outside the text area. So this is our single line text. Now once you select any line of this text, you can see that only that line of text is selected. This is the main characteristics of single line text. If you want to make changes to the single line text, you need to go to Properties panel for making changes. So to make changes to text, select any of this line, and right-click on your mouse and select Properties. Now you will get this editing window. From here, you can make multiple changes to your text. So let's make change to this text by clicking the Content option. For example, I will type AutoCAD 2019. And changing the text height to 6 units. Similarly, you can make changes to text style, text layer and so on. Now let's close this window. You can also edit the text by double-clicking on top of the required text and make changes. But if you want to make other changes like height and text style, you have to go to Properties panel. So this is all about the single line text. Hope you understand my tutorial. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more updates. See you on next video. Until that, be a learner. Bye.